Hello, I'm Kozue. I'm gonna be doing my natural nails with regular polish. This art might be too cute for me, but I did it anyways. Bows, heart, and plaid. All the stuff girls love. I'm allergic to gel nail, so I'm not gonna use gel nail. Let's get started. I'm going to use these today. The bows are so flat on the back, so it doesn't stay on the nail. I got the bows from Temu. I'm gonna make a small curve on the back. Yeah, the big one is totally flat too. I saw this method on YouTube or somewhere. I'm using an E-file to make a curve on the back. I haven't used this nail drill since I got allergic. I'm glad it's of great use now. I'm not used to using it, so I'm doing it at a low RPM. I changed the bit to a more pointed one. I should move the drill constantly. Otherwise, it gets really hot and maybe it melts the bow. Also, I shouldn't go too deep. I might break it in half. Just a shallow groove will do. I can't use the E-file well, so I'm gonna use a conventional file. The file is from a 100 yen store. I have a dust collector on. I'm wearing a mask and 2 pairs of glasses. I think it's done. Yeah, it's nice. Wow, this one is so small. I'm trying so hard not hurt my fingers. I'm gonna use the conventional file. Oh, I didn't realize it's not black all the way. Now I can put it on my nail properly. I'm cleaning it with ethanol. See? It's white inside. Let me show you how I curved it. It's got a groove, just a little bit. Let's see how it looks on the nail. I curved it just a little, so it's hard to see. I'm gonna put it like this later. Alright, the bows are ready? I removed the old nail art. I did cuticle care and oil care, and I applied OPI Nail Envy as a base coat. There's so little left in the bottle. Should I throw this away now? Unless I tilt the bottle 180 degrees, the brush doesn't touch it. I put it on blue tack. I paint Nail Envy like this. I'm gonna be using 2 color polishes. One is Pareto Nail Foundation, Beige Ochre 01. I'm applying it as evenly as possible on the thumb. I'll paint the same color on all my fingers. I fixed the overflown polish with a silicone pen. It's so useful. I'm done with the first application. I clean the silicone tip on a silicone mat on the table like this. I let the thumbnail dry for about 5 minutes. Can make Tokyo. N29. I'm gonna make the beige ochre slightly lighter with this sheer white polish on it. The N29 on the pinky as well. I'm gonna paint the beige ochre again on the ring finger. I'm applying N29 to the middle finger. Index finger, Parado Nail Foundation, beige ochre. Can you tell the difference in color? Parado Gel Top Coat. It's available at 7-Eleven in Japan. I'm gonna paint it on the thumb. After applying this, I'm gonna leave it for more than 6 hours. I'm gonna be stamping on the ring finger, a plate from Shane, a stamper from Temu, a plastic card. I'm gonna put them near the plate. Polish from a 100 yen shop. I'm gonna use this design. Scrape and pick up quickly. I'm gonna stamp it on my nail quickly. Looks great, but something happened. I hit my middle finger. It's damaged pretty badly, but it's fixable. I just keep tapping on it. A stamper helps flatten it and erase fingerprints. Okay, now I can get back to the nail art. Star glue from Temu. It's nail transfer foil glue. But it perfectly works as a non-smudge top coat. And I think it helps nail art last too. I'm gonna apply a top coat to all the nails after the foil glue dries. I'd be sad if the stamped prints get smudged. Foil glue works really well when nail stamping. Well, it didn't work well once when I did Halloween nail art. I still don't know why. This is the end of today's job. I think this is already cute enough. But I'm gonna make it cuter tomorrow. Good night. I changed the ring for the day. I've got some bubbles on the middle finger. Now I'm gonna put some accessories. Sekavita. When applying seiche, I put the brush in the bottle after every move. I'm putting a little bit of seiche in the center. I'm trying to add a top coat under the bow. I'm gonna paint seiche on the other nails. Just a little bit of seiche. I'm painting seiche a little in the center. A heartstone from Temu. I have no idea where I get these pearls from. I'm trying to fill the gap under the bow. I'm putting a top coat on the pearls too. Pearls lose their pearly look after wearing the nail art for a week, so I usually cover pearls. This is it. The nail art looks like a young girl's, so I feel a little awkward with this. Well, who cares? It's not crime or anything. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.